Did you know that in 2025, your work alone isn't enough? You need branding. So today we're going to talk about branding. Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Orfe, and today we're going to talk about how to build a personal branding as a creative in 2025. So stick around. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. But before we go any further, I want to tell you that today's video is sponsored by Pixpa, but we're going to talk about it a little bit later in the video. So first of all, what is personal branding? Personal branding is a strategic process of crafting and managing your public perception to highlight your unique strength and values. But to summarize it, it's all about your image, how you present yourself and how people perceive you and what kind of values you have. So the first point on how to build your personal branding is define your voice and your vision. Who are you as a person, what you should, and what values you stand for. People don't have to guess. When they look at your work, when they see you, they will know exactly what you stand for, how you sound, and what kind of photos do you take. Are you a fashion photographer, a commercial photographer? Are you a wedding photographer, a portrait photographer? How people can define who you are by looking at your work. Number two would be to create a visual identity. What is your style, but also what type of editing you do? What is your editing style? People might recognize you by maybe your black and white or the way you edit your photos, or maybe how you crop, or maybe how you put your LUT on the photo. You have a specific style, so people, when they see your work, they identify not only by your voice, but also with your imagery, with your style, with your typography. Everything, it's part of your visual identity. Number three would be to build an online presence, which means to have a website. I want to take a moment to thank Pixpa for sponsoring today's video. If you are a photographer or creative, building your brand online is crucial. And honestly, having a website that looks professional and works for you can really make the difference. That's where Pixpa comes in. It's an all-in-one website builder designed specifically for creatives, photographers, designers, small businesses. So you can build a beautiful site, showcase your work, and even sell products or prints, all without touching a single line of code. I've been setting up my wedding photography website on Pixpa, and I'm very impressed by how fast and intuitive the platform is. You get access to over 150 beautiful mobile-friendly templates, and the drag-and-drop builder makes customizing pages super simple. One feature that I really love as a photographer is their client galleries. You can easily share, proof, and even sell your images to clients. If you ever need help, they offer 24/7 customer support, which is great if you're building your site on a deadline like I was. So if you're looking for any easy and affordable way to build your online presence this year, definitely give Pixpa a try. I've added my affiliate link below, and you can use the code EPIC to get 40% off on annual plans or 55% off on 2-year plans. All right, now let's get back to the video. Step number 4 will be to show your face. People want to see you. People want to know you. You got to be out there. They want to see how you talk, how you make them laugh, or just how you are. They want to see the true you. So be out there, show your personality. It could be on YouTube, you can be on Instagram or anywhere, but be present. Yeah, so it's a little bit hot here in Florida. But we're going to talk about number 5. You really got to be consistent. What I mean by being consistent, it feels like you have to give them a schedule. They know how you post, how often you post, and how you present yourself every day. It could be every day, it could be every week, or even twice a month. But you got to be consistent. It has to feel like a schedule. It has to feel like a TV programming or anything. But people need to know that this creative or the person that I love and that I follow constantly put up some work. This way people will know that you are present and you are trustworthy. But if you're not sure on how to start, you can also ask someone who has a better eye to try to help you in your process. But one of the things is Pixpa is always a good place to start, where you can upload your images and start having a website. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Orphan the Baby. I'm out. How? It's hot. Whoa, it's hot. It's hot.